Millions of years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Most of what we know about them comes from bones. But every once in a while, paleontologists uncover a fossil so extraordinary that it completely changes our understanding of these prehistoric giants. Here are the most amazing dinosaur fossils ever found. Imagine if you discovered two dinosaurs frozen in the exact moment of battle for over 70 million years. In 1971, paleontologists working in Mongolia uncovered one of the most famous fossils ever found. It preserved a fierce fight between a velociraptor and a protoceratops. The velociraptor's sickle claw was buried in the protoceratops' neck, while the protoceratops had clamped its powerful beak onto the velociraptor's arm. It appears that a collapsing sand dune suddenly buried both animals alive before either could escape. When miners in Alberta were digging in 2011, they accidentally uncovered one of the best preserved dinosaurs ever discovered. The fossil belonged to Borylopelta, an armored ankylosaurid dinosaur that lived about 110 million years ago. Unlike most dinosaur fossils, this one wasn't just a skeleton. Its armor, skin, scales, and even traces of its original body shape were preserved in astonishing detail. Scientists could even detect the remains of reddish-brown pigmentation, suggesting the dinosaur had camouflage coloring. Thanks to this incredible fossil, scientists gained a much clearer picture of what an armored dinosaur actually looked like in life. One of the most important fossils in history was discovered in Germany in 1861. The fossil belonged to Archaeopteryx, a small feathered dinosaur that lived around 150 million years ago. What made this fossil extraordinary was the beautiful feather impressions preserved in the surrounding rock. Every major feather could be seen in remarkable detail. Archaeopteryx had wings and feathers like a bird. It also had sharp teeth, clawed fingers, and a long tail. It became one of the strongest pieces of evidence showing the evolutionary connection between non-avian dinosaurs and modern birds. But the thing that is more spectacular is that we literally found a dinosaur mummy. Meet Leonardo. It is a remarkably preserved Brachylophosaurus that was found in Montana in 2000. Leonardo is often called a dinosaur mummy because much more than its bones survived. Large portions of its skin were fossilized, preserving the texture of its scales in incredible detail. Scientists could even estimate the animal's muscle shape and body outline, giving one of the most accurate reconstructions of what a living dinosaur looked like. Using advanced CT scans, researchers also identified the fossilized remains of its last meals inside its digestive system. This allowed scientists to learn exactly what kinds of plants it ate shortly before it died. One of the most extraordinary fossil discoveries ever made is known as the dueling dinosaurs. Discovered in Montana, this fossil preserves the nearly complete skeletons of a Nanotyrannus and a Triceratops together in the same rock. What makes the specimen so remarkable is that the two dinosaurs appear to have died at nearly the same time. The predator has bite marks and broken bones, while the Triceratops also shows injuries, leading many scientists to believe the pair may have fought each other before being rapidly buried by a flood or other catastrophic event. However, exactly how they died is still being studied. The fossil is exceptionally well preserved. Around 98% of the Triceratops skeleton and about 85% of the Nanotyrannus skeleton are intact. Because of its incredible completeness and preservation, the dueling dinosaur specimen is helping scientists answer long-standing questions about dinosaur growth, injuries, and behavior. It is considered one of the most scientifically important dinosaur fossils ever discovered.